Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Good morning. It's a beautiful, bright, sunny day here in London. But we decided to drive an hour and a half away from London to some island, this beach side. And I'm not dressed up for the beach, but I know it's going to be really, really cold. Yeah, so I have my H&M coat, I have my Zara knitwear, I have my Topshop jeans and my River Island boots. I've got a little bit of pink and all colors that is matching my background at the moment. Since it's really nice, bright and sunny, we decided to just get out of the house, get out of London. It's a tragic day today because Sridevi passed away. I just can't even believe it, okay? Because I was a big fan of her. It's not like, she's a relative or whatever, but being a fan, this really hit home. So today morning, Giri was like, let's just step out. Let's get out, face some sunshine and do something fun. And that's exactly what we are doing. We are taking his electric car for a test drive on a long journey, so this should be fun. Apparently, the more you drive, the more the car charges by itself. So how cool is that? Chinu, where are we going? Where are we going? She must be finding it really hot because of the heating.
She can lie down if she wants.
She wouldn't know how to. Look at her.
She's
She's actually sitting and sleeping.
not sleeping.
Yeah. Not many houses here, no? Imagine trying to get something.
So cheap here.
It'll be cheaper here?
Yeah. Lots of prices.
How much?
200,000 you'll get a
For 200,000, like what?
250,000.
3-bedroom.
3 bedroom.
Not bad. But Giri, it is away from everything.
Yeah, it is. Shut up. I'm bored now. Hey, Jinu, are you bored? Yeah, you are. So there was a marathon happening in Brighton. So we didn't go there, thankfully. We would have been stuck in traffic. But we have come to this Mercy Island. It's not giving me any mercy. There's hardly anything here. We haven't seen the sea yet. There's no food. I'm getting a little bit cranky. Giri, for your sake, I hope there's some food. That's it. This is the island. Do you like it? Did you like the trip that you just planned? On a sunny Yes.
day where we could have been in good old central London.
And doing what? You.
Oh, there's a sea, finally. Is that it? Over there, those colorful huts. So just because you couldn't take me to Brighton, you took me to the dupe of it.
Brighton would have been closer. Why wouldn't that be? I mean, you've been there so many times. So. Parking.
And it's not even the sea. You can see the other side. So finally, after that very horrendous drive, we have stopped by a pub just to find out if we can get food. But obviously we have to find out if they allow gin inside. See, that's the thing. I was not in a mood to do anything today. You know, when you start off
a day with already a bad vibe, negativity, no matter how many bags you carry saying no bad vibes. I'm just sad over what has happened. And it's so bizarre because it's not like she's a family member of mine, but it's just that I'm such a big fan, and all that put in my head, I just knew that this trip was going to be somehow kind of like a meh moment, and that's exactly what it is. But it was a lovely drive. It's a lovely sunny day. It was nice to get out of the house, all said and done. Yeah, so I guess dogs are allowed inside. We are going to go into the pub, get some grub because I'm starving. Oh, you need to be careful when you take her.
Yeah, I know. You know what? I might have to change.
Huh?
I might have to take the car somewhere else.
What do you mean? So I don't think I need my jacket when I go in.
Wait,
But there's a nice, beautiful stream right next to this
Wait.
pub. I have to show you the pub. It's so beautiful. So cute. Give me. You're parking somewhere else?
Yes, it
Okay,
would be
give
better
me.
to get out.
I'll hold her.
Okay,
Come here, Jin.
Shweta, I'll park and come in.
Oh my God. Hi.
Sit down, sit down.
So the apple mojito was not available, so they're making me a Peldon Sunrise right there. It's a mix of all fruit juices. All right, where is Giri right now? Oh, there he is.
Sit down, sit down. Gino, sit down. Oh God, this dog.
She's quite a rowdy today.
Gino, sit down. Gino, sit down.
I'm holding her. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. It's like a spring roll, right?
It's like prawn wrapped in filo pastry. Is that apple?
They didn't have mint. It is freezing. So lunch done. We are on our way back. Once I head home, I have a lot of work to do. Have to edit tomorrow's video. Hopefully, I don't know whether I'm going to do a makeup tutorial for tomorrow. I'm just going to, put this vlog up. Oh, it's nice and sunny, but it's still so very cold. Chin Chin, hi, hi, hi. Hey guys, so we are finally home. Well, we've been home for a while. We just had our dinner and I am tired. It's around 10:30 and I'm ready to hit the sack. Woohoo! We really know how to live it up. I also wanted to show you before hitting the sack that I plan to do a face mask before I sleep. And you guys have seen my Nykaa haul and I spoke about these face packs that I got from Nykaa. And today I want to try the Deer Packer. This is the home remedy mask, the cooling mask. I will let you know about it, whether it suited my face. I hope I don't break out. I hope it's great for sensitive skin because I have sensitive skin.
So yeah, I will let you know about it through Insta stories, so stay tuned for that. Plus, I'll be updating it on the blog as well. So don't worry, I've got your back. Don't worry, kids. Thank you so much for all the wonderful messages, you guys congratulating us for the new car. And apparently this year, a lot of people have booked, hybrid cars. They have so many ports, in petrol stations, in shopping malls. Even more reason for me to go shopping. So they have, those electrical ports over there. Even in my gym, they have it. So it's amazing that we can go to these, points and just plug our car into it and just charge our car, as well as it self parks. Amazing for someone like me who's shitty at parking. I can definitely see myself. I mean, I'm great at parking, but parallel parking, no. So I can see myself using that. I like the fact that the steering wheel heats up. I like the fact that it's got a charging plate for my iPhone. There's so many small things, like, even when you shift lanes and you are sleepy, so if you have long journeys and you by mistake don't indicate, the steering wheel vibrates and wakes you up. That's it, guys. My knowledge about this car is really limited, but if you have any queries regarding a hybrid car, do leave your feedback in the comment section. Whatever it is, I'll have Giri answer all of you guys. And bye bye.